Hi everyone. Today we are going to see about 8-bit microcontroller and its architecture. First of all, introduction. We are going to see about a 8-bit microcontroller, which is a compact integrated system. Because we are using a 8-bit microcontroller, then the 8-bit microcontroller can process only the 8-bit of data. Whether we can use 16-bit microcontroller also, that can process 16-bit of data. The main purpose of this 8051 is it is widely used in an embedded system. The main purpose why we are going to use 8051 means it is a low cost and it consumes low power and its architecture is very simple. This is the main reason mainly we are focusing on a 8051 architecture. These are the key features of 8051. First feature is it is an 8-bit data processing. It can process a 8-bit of data. Then it consists of a on-chip memory, which is a memory which is integrated on the 8051 chip itself. It has a built-in peripherals. Next is a low power consumption. The last feature is it's a real-time control capability. It has the real-time controlling options also. Then the architecture overview. The 8051 architecture consists of CPU, memory, IO ports. IO ports is used for connecting input-output devices, then a timers, interrupt, and a communication modules on a simple chip. This is the architectural diagram of a 8051 microcontroller. It consists of a interrupt control, which is connected to an on-chip ROM. ROM is used for a program memory and a RAM is used for a data memory. In the last, it consists of a timer. Timer consists of two timers, which is a timer 0 and a timer 1. Then four 8-bit input-output ports. Totally, it consists of four ports, P0, P1, P2, and P3, which is connected to a control bus control. The bus control will take care of the buses, and it last consists of CPU and a oscillator. This is the architecture diagram of a 8051. Then we can see one by one. First is a CPU. The CPU, as similar to a computer system, this CPU is also mainly used for performing arithmetic and logical operations. Next, it controls the instruction execution. It consists of a series of instruction which is controlled over a CPU. It includes a ALU control unit and a register. Usually, the ALU will take care of the arithmetic operations. The control unit will take care of the input-output connections. Then it consists of the registers. First one is the arithmetic and logical unit. This arithmetical and logical unit will take care of the addition, subtraction, likewise the arithmetic operations. It can also perform the logical operations also. Logical operations include AND or XOR. These are the logical operations. It can operate on a 8-bit data because our 8051 we are using is a 8-bit microcontroller. This control unit is responsible for controlling all the hardware and your software system. This mainly focuses on fetching instruction from a program memory. It is used to fetch a instruction from a program memory and it loads into a data memory. It take care of decoding and executing instruction purpose also. Then it generates the control signals. These control signals will be used for a read operations and a write operations, fetching instructions. These are the various control unit operations. Memory organization. Basically, we consist of two memories, program memory and a data memory. Program memory is used to store application codes. Then the data memory, which is used to store the variables and stack data. EEPROM, which is always used to store the non-volatile data. Registers. Mainly we consist of a accumulator. Accumulator is the main register we are using in a 8051 architecture. Then the general purpose registers are program counters, stack pointer, and a special function registers. Input and output ports. Input and output ports is mainly used to store the devices connected with the external sources of inputs. Each pin will be configured as an input and output. In a pin diagram of 8051, each pin is specified with the input and output ports. It will be controlled by using a SFRs, special function registers. Next is timers and counters. Timers and counters are used to generate delays. Generate delays is performed by the timer, and the counter will performing the counting the external events, which is used for baud rate generation. Interrupt system. The interrupt system is used to handle the urgent task. Interrupt will occur when there is a request for any resources, memory, or input-output devices. These are the situations where we are required the interrupt. So it will be handled by a interrupt system, which will reduce us the CPU pooling. Pooling is nothing but a waiting time. It supports the internal and external interrupts. Next is a clock and oscillator. It provides a timing for instruction execution. It can use an internal or external crystals. It determines the operation speed. These are the main factors why we are using for a clock and oscillators. What is the applications of 8051 means? 8051 is mainly used in home appliances, industrial automations, embedded control systems, and consumer electronics. These are the various areas we are using a 8051. Conclusion. The 8-bit microcontroller provides an efficient and a low-cost solutions for a control-oriented embedded applications. Thank you.